Hey guys, it's Amy with 804 Sycamore, and I'm so excited you're checking out this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it or leave me a comment below. I always check and answer those questions. So for this Christmas DIY, I think you're gonna love it. I just used some of the scrap 2x4 boards in my garage. You could also use 4x4s, which would be pretty cool too. And then a Forstner drill bit, a drill gun, and my miter saw. So I'm pretty excited to show you how easy these come together. And I love creating handmade decor that doesn't look handmade. Like it kind of looks maybe West Elm or Crate and Barrel, kind of that high-end rustic farmhouse look. Very simple and natural elements. These could make a great gift, and you could make as many as you want to like create a whole village, or just a set to have like a little candle set on your table or something. So anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let's get going. Okay guys, so the first step is decide how tall you want your candle house. This one is going to be 6 inches tall. So I make my marks and I just use my carpenter square to get that straight line. This will be That's marking the center for the 45-degree cuts. Now, we're going to, while we have a flat edge, before we cut, we're going to drill the candle hole. So just get your Forstner bit. Mine is 3/4 inch thick because that is the diameter of the candles I'm using. And once you have your candle hole drilled for the top of your house, then you can go ahead and make your cuts. Now, this is just a sample piece. You'll notice there's no candle holes, but I wanted to show you with my new DeWalt Miter Saw. It is so awesome and it cuts like butter. I absolutely love it on this stand. And so I'm just showing you just how easy it is to make the straight cut, 45-degree cut. Just line it up with my center mark and just pretend like there's a candle hole at the top, okay? I'm actually going to let my 8-year-old daughter paint this one and make it look like a gingerbread. But okay, so next step is to stain it. Now you can stain it any color you want. You can stain them all the same, different. You can also paint them. Maybe you do like a merry and bright, colorful theme, or you could even spray paint these with a high gloss and do something really fun and modern. You could do silver, gold, black, white, all kinds of fun different options. But I went with this farmhouse stain by Rove and Dwell. It actually smells very pleasant. There's no fumes or odors and has a very quick dry time. I'm just using a craft sponge brush to apply the stain and just making sure it's even and there's no pooling or heavy spots of the stain. And I'm using a glove because I don't really want it on my fingers. Once you have all the sides stained, just let it dry. Now after 30 minutes, I went ahead and did a whitewash stain to some of them. And to get my my third whitewash house even brighter, I actually watered down some white craft paint and then wiped it off because I just wanted it opaque. Wanted the brown to show through a bit, but I wanted it a little brighter than the other ones, and I just didn't have the patience to wait for the whitewash stain. So as you can see, this side is more rough. This is going to be the back of my house, but I'm going to stain it all the same. Once all your houses are stained and dry and ready to go, I decided to kind of do just a little grouping, a centerpiece, and I'm using Epsom salts. And so I pour the amount of Epsom salts I'm going to need for my container. And then I went ahead and put some essential oil into the Epsom salts. Now I used Thieves by Young Living because I love the smell of the cloves and cinnamon and all the different oils in this one. And it just smells like Christmas. So I added about 8 drops and then I'm just mixing it with a plastic spoon, really just kind of blending it all together. And then once you have your oil total, and you don't have to do the oil, but then I'm putting the exact amount of Epsom salts that I want back into the container. So there's no guesswork there because I already measured it. And I love the way that it looks like snow and then, can be used for the bath later or something. So then I just went ahead and arranged my 5 houses exactly where I wanted them, kind of wiggled them around in the salt, made sure they were nice and steady. So once you have your houses just the way you want them, I kind of tried to alternate the colors and get different heights in there just kind of for a balanced look. Once you have them settled in there, you just take a taper candle and lightly twist with some pressure. And these candles are dripless candles. I actually got them on sale at Hobby Lobby, but you can get them on Amazon, Walmart, Target, almost anywhere. And when you twist it on there, it's a pretty snug fit, and so I'm just wiping off the excess wax that comes off. And you could actually use the drippy taper candles. That might look really cool. Maybe it would look like snow on the houses, but I want to use these each and every year, so it's important to me to keep them nice and clean, and the dripless candles are perfect for that. So here you can see it on my coffee table. I just think the simplistic look, it's charming. I added some greens and pine cones around to complete the look. So if you like this video, or if you have any questions, give me a thumbs up, leave it in the comments, and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoyed this and feel inspired to make your own Christmas decor. Thanks.